The defense yesterday referred to the Philippine National Police Operational Procedural Manual issued in 2021. But the same was irrelevant and a non sequitur with respect to how the PNP construed and applied the word neutralize under CMC 16-2016 from July 1, 2016 until March 16, 2019, which is within the temporal jurisdiction of the court. The defense recognizes that the same Philippine National Police Operation Procedural Manual was published in 2021, specifically in September 2021. And it was already after the temporal jurisdiction of this court. Hence, it's irrelevant with respect to this case. Ninth, the defense asserted that purportedly the Duterte's administration is, and I quote, intolerant for rotten apple police officers, end of quote. That's in the transcript of yesterday at page 32, line 20 to 21. This is not true, Your Honors. Mr. Duterte's administration has not criminally prosecuted the police officers responsible for the government-recognized deaths of at least 3,967 drug personalities who died in anti-drug operations from July 1, 2016 to November 27, 2017. In fact, the undisputed fact in this case is that the Philippines only investigated at
Excuse me, counsel. You have 5 minutes left.
At most 302 cases. And I refer to the February 27, 2023. January 26, 2023 decision of this chamber on the authorization pursuant to Article 18, Paragraph 2 of the statute to resume the investigation. The court here, the chamber has held, the chamber observes that at the time of the prosecution's request, the DOJ panel had referred to the NBI for investigation in case build-up 302 cases consisting of 52 PNP IAS cases, the non-laban cases, and 250 NPS cases. And in paragraph 39, from the information before the chamber, it therefore appears that the DOJ panel review does not amount to relevant investigations within the meaning of Articles 17 and 18 of the statute. Moreover, the number of cases reviewed by the DOJ panel, namely 302, is very low when compared with the estimated number of killings that allegedly occurred in the context of war on drugs operations. Res ipsa loquitur. Mr. Duterte's administration has not criminally prosecuted the police officers responsible for these deaths. Last, Your Honor. The defense erred when it conflated Ms. Paulina Masida's statement that Rodrigo Duterte failed to prevent or punish with the theory that the prosecution has not charged command responsibility under Article 28. Ms. Masida's comment on the fact that Mr. Duterte did not take steps to investigate and prosecute was pronounced in the context of her submissions on the fact that encouragement of killings through public statements by Mr. Duterte sent a clear message that those responsible need not fear accountability and can act with impunity. Said comment cannot be extrapolated from that context, as the defense did yesterday. We do not suggest that Mr. Duterte should be liable under Article 28 of the statute. We maintain that there is ample evidence for confirming the mode of liability under Article 25(3)(a) as pleaded by the prosecution. Also, we want to emphasize, Your Honors, that there were indeed children murdered systematically under the charges that are being held against Mr. Duterte, Your Honor. And they are not mere collateral